you felt alright, just hitting my line all the time, all the time. Oh.
As you've seen in the previous clips, my skin done been through a lot. I done spent a lot of money, done seen a lot of dermatologists to get my skin where it is today. Now, it's not perfect, but I'm never striving for perfection. I just needed some relief from that hormonal acne, hyperpigmentation, and everything else I had going on. Drink more water, use sunscreen, and moisturize your skin. It could all be so easy, but it's not. So like I said, I've been through a lot of trial and error, so I'm going to run through my nighttime skincare routine, which personally for me, I feel like it's the most important, your nighttime skincare routine. And I'm also going to show you what I use during the daytime.
I'm the fool, like I should have listened when they said that you would treat me like he did. Don't think you care about me. Oh, girl, I care about you, but you don't care about nobody. Nobody but you. Don't think you care about me. Oh, girl.
Now, usually I recommend a paper towel to wash your face off because washcloths can hold bacteria, but I use these brand new clean washcloths I got from Target for about $5 to dry my face. We're going to go in with a toner. Never skip toner. Toner helps tremendously with your dark spots and hyperpigmentation and overall just your complexion. I let that dry in before I add the next product. You should let each product dry in your skin for at least 1 minute before applying anything else. Next, we're going with a brightening serum, again for my hyperpigmentation. Also, the Byoma, I don't know if I'm saying that right. That company has some great products. This brightening toner that I've been using on my face, or the serum, I noticed results within 2 weeks. So I'm going to keep using it. I like to keep stuff simple, and these have like all natural ingredients. Of course, I'm waiting the 1 minute, like I said, just to let the serum sit into my skin. Next is a medicated topical I got from my dermatologist. I currently do not have any breakouts, so I won't be using that tonight. Next is the Faded Topicals, the Dark Spot Corrector. I didn't want to use it because I see all the girls on TikTok using it and it's mixed reviews, but I figured I might give it a try. I started out using this once a week just so my skin could tolerate it, and then now I use it every other day, and honestly, I haven't had any negative side effects, which I am so grateful about. Next, this is a gua sha. I'm not sure what y'all call it, but I just use this kind of to help with the puffiness, or if I have inflammation on my skin, really from like during your period time, you can just flush that out, all the fluids to the back. Don't forget about your neck. Please don't forget about your neck. Next, I go in with an anti-aging cream. I am 36, so I am embracing aging, but slowly. And I just use it around my smile lines. I also use it on my forehead and in the corners of my eye where any, I guess, wrinkles. I don't have wrinkles, but where I think they might start to come in about 20 years. Mask is optional. I use this Laneige mask maybe once a week. That's about it. Then I go in with my exfoliating lip scrub. I exfoliate my lips about 2 or 3 times a week. You might say it's too much, but it works perfect for me. Then I go in with this sleep mask that I use about 2 or 3 times a week. I use a sleep mask every time I exfoliate my lips. And honestly, it's done wonders for me. Just do what works for your skin. These are just some tips that I use to help me manage my skin. And the most important part of your skincare routine is going to be your moisturizer. I'm using a moisturizer by Fresh, the same type of face wash I use, well, the same brand of face wash I use, and it's been amazing. It's lightweight, it's refreshing, it does not feel heavy, and it goes on very, very smooth. This is my favorite part of my skincare routine. Like, I really take my time hydrating my skin and making sure I'm hitting every part of my face. Now, this facial mist just adds like a little dewy hydration to your skin before bed. So this is optional. It's not a must. You do not have to use it. Just going to spray it all around and just let that sit in for another minute. And again, this video is unfiltered. This is literally how my skin looks. Now get into that versus the pictures from before. Okay, I feel good. Daytime routine is Weightless products. I'm using the same facial cleanser I use at night. my brightening serum. I'm also using the moisturizer. You did everything you needed at night to make sure that your skin barrier is protected. Then I'm going in with the Laneige or Laneige, I don't know how to pronounce it, lip balm after the mask the night before, and sunscreen. I don't care if you are blue, purple, green, orange, wear sunscreen. Wear sunscreen.